All right, we're gonna be doing the compression test on this Honda Prelude motor. Here we go. On 3, 1, 2, 3. You can see we're getting a compression of 200 psi. That's extremely healthy for this engine. All we have to do is we do 12 volts there, starter. So far everything's looking where it's supposed to be at. No problems. So we're gonna be removing this whole assembly out of the car, make sure everything is good. And we're gonna do the full service. Timing belt, water pump, gaskets. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, everything looks okay. Nothing crazy. Take all this off. We already removed the axles. Remove the cross member, exhaust. So now we're just gonna pull out the motor. We're good.